Alright guys, let's go ahead and create the app icon for our iOS screen. And we're going to go up here to the top left and you'll notice there is a plus button that allows us to upload an icon. And the suggested size is 180 pixels by 180 pixels. So we're going to dive back into Photoshop and go ahead and create this. Now I've included a file download in the lecture files that has an app icon template. So I want you guys to go ahead and pause the video and download that really quickly. Now I'm going to minimize and open up the app icon template folder that you guys just downloaded, and we're going to open up the PSD file that's included. And this is a file that was designed by Michael Flareup over at pixelresort.com, so a big thank you to him. This is going to serve as all our iOS icon needs. So let's open up the PSD file and go ahead and click Do Not Show Again and Update. And it's a bit overwhelming. There's a lot of icons here on the screen, but don't worry, we're only going to be editing one, and it's clearly the one that says Edit and Save Me here in the front. So all we have to do is hover over the Edit and Save Me Smart Object thumbnail. So we've done this several times, and we're going to double click that and click OK. So this is essentially a mock-up that we're working with. Now the Udemy icon is very simple. It's a green background and then the U within Udemy, and there's no gradients, no textures, no shadows or anything, so it's going to be fairly easy to replicate. I want you guys to go into your Udemy folders and open up the PSD of the loading screen that we created, and we're going to grab that file. Oh, I apologize. We're going to grab that logo from the loading screen that we separated earlier in this course. So click the background layer first and go ahead and delete that, and that just leaves us with the logo layer. Now if you ever have a layer and then a lot of transparent background, one way to just have the layer is to go up to image and come down to trim and make sure that it's set to transparent pixels and that trim away is set to all four, top, bottom, left, and right, and select OK. And that's going to go ahead and narrow everything down. Well, I want to drag this Udemy straight into our icons PSB. There we go. And let's just drag this to the top for the sake of making things easy. And let's hide this app icon template glyph. And we can hide the guides if we want. I want to keep them for now. And the guides are the blue lines running through everything. So let's just get the U. That's all we need. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to grab our rectangular marquee tool and we're going to go right in between here, and we're just going to scroll over and we're just going to delete all that other content while logo selected. And you'll notice some of that was off the page, so I'm going to redo this. Grab my marquee tool again, make sure the entire logo is on the page, and just go ahead and delete. Now I just want to use this as a reference, so let's blow this up to the actual size it's going to be, and don't worry, it's going to distort it, but that's alright because we're going to recreate this and redraw it using the pen tool. We've done this several times in previous lectures for creating buttons and creating the status bar. So that looks about big enough, so I'm going to apply that transformation. And we're going to begin drawing this really quickly, and then we'll change the background color and then save this for upload.